Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deposit on Fresha. So, first, you may want to head over to Fresha and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the calendar icon. And from the timeline, you can start by creating a new appointment or select an existing appointment that you want to add deposit into. So in my case, I'm just going to add deposit on this specific appointment. So from this window, just proceed by clicking on Pay Now. So we're just going to select our mode of payment and I'm going to choose split payment. And from here, we're just going to pick cash. And from here, just add in the deposit amount. Then proceed by clicking on Add. To finalize the deposit, just proceed by clicking on Pay Now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!